Student, I am going to discuss about hydrocarbon. So what is hydrocarbon? The compound made up of carbon and hydrogen. And there are three types of hydrocarbon, that is alkane, alkene, alkyne. And molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2 for alkane, CnH2n for alkene, CnH2n minus 2 for alkyne. Now, how the nomenclature could be done? First of all, what is N? N is number of carbon or hydrogen. So, suppose we took N is equal to 1, then what is called meth? N is equal to 2, eth. N is equal to 3, prop. N is equal to 4, but. So this is the nomenclature of various number. Now what is alkane? Alkane is saturated hydrocarbon or molecule with only single bond present, represented by general formula CnH2n plus 2. Only single bond is present. Example, when N is equal to 1, how to put? Here we put N is equal to 1, C1H21 plus 2, then the compound becomes CH4, and here N is equal to 1. What is that? Meth. So N is equal to 1, so we name as meth, methane, because here the suffix is ane. Another one where N is equal to 2, C2H2 into 2, so compound becomes C2H6, that is ethane. N is equal to 3, C3H3 into 2 plus 2, C3H8 compound become, that is propane. So this is the nomenclature. Here ethane configuration is what? Number of carbon is 2, C 1 carbon and 2 carbon surrounded by 3 hydrogen here and 3 hydrogen there, and propane structure. Here carbon is 1, 2, 3, meth, eth, prop, and surrounding hydrogen is there, 3 hydrogen there, 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen there, that is propane molecule. Here the bond is single bond, that is saturated hydrocarbon. Now moving towards alkene. What is alkene? Alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon having double bond and represented by CnH2n, simple, with suffix ending in -ene. Now how to put? Here N is equal to 2. We will put N is equal to 2, then the compound become C2H4, that is eth, because here suffix is -ene, that is ethene. In alkane the suffix become -ene, and when N is equal to 3, the compound becomes C3H6, that is propene. So this is the structure of ethene. Meth, eth, 2 carbon is there, eth, and double bond is present, that is -ene. Here 3 carbon is present, meth, eth, prop, and double bond, due to double bond there is -ene, propene. Now moving towards alkyne. What is alkyne? Unsaturated hydrocarbon again unsaturated, having triple bond represented by CnH2n minus 2 with suffix "-ine". Here suffix is "-ine" and formula is CnH2n minus 2. In alkane, there is plus 2 and alkyne there is minus 2, opposite. So we took N is equal to 2, then the compound becomes C2H2 and here 2 carbon is there, then meth, eth and suffix is "-ine", ethyne, and another one N is equal to 3, then 3 carbon is there, so meth, eth and prop and suffix "-ine", that is propyne. Now moving towards the structure, meth, eth, 2 carbon is there, meth, eth and triple bond is there, that is ethyne, and here 3 carbon is there, meth, eth, prop and containing triple bond that represent alkyne, that is propyne. That's all for